Open Google Play Store. Type GPS JoyStick. Okay, so we need this fake GPS location, GPS JoyStick. Install this app. Open. So cool, we have some location in here, and let's say I would like to visit this place. Start. Draw permission required, so we need to go to settings. And in display over other apps, scroll and find GPS JoyStick. Allow. So go back. Start. Mock location required. So go to settings, but we need to enable developer options. So open settings. About phone. Multiple click in MIUI version. So you are now a developer. Go back and scroll down to additional settings. Now we have developer options visible. Scroll down to debugging and select mock location app and choose GPS JoyStick. So now open GPS JoyStick and start. Oh, skip advertisement, close, and voila. Now we can open, for instance, Adventure Lab. And you can see we are in our position, we choose. So open this water, vodní elektrárny. And that's it. If you want to pretend you are walking, running or whatever, you can just use the joystick and get closer to the location or whatever. And at the end, you should go back to the settings, additional settings, developer options, and deactivate developer options.